those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide.
Alright guys, so we're back on the build. I actually got my new welding gas over there. And over the weekend, since I didn't have any welding gas, what I did do is make me a little makeshift extension cord, since my welder doesn't have a very long cord itself, and I needed to make an extension just to reach the brackets on the front. But yeah, we got those, like I said, the extension made, and I already started pre-welding this front corner. So pretty much got this one started tacked in place out here and out here. So the only thing I don't have welded is the underside, and then I started welding this. So finally getting a little bit better with my welds, but yeah, I'm gonna weld the underside of these on both of the little fins. Jump over to the other side, start doing those, and then in the back I need to remeasure, because I do remember one of my brackets was actually too low, so I need to go back and measure this one. And compared to that side, luckily it's only tacked in, so I gotta go back and grind that one off, because you might be able to tell, but okay. Now you see how this bracket, the cab mount bracket, is almost level with the actual frame itself right here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell from this side. Okay, and then when you go over here, you see how much lower it is. It's probably like an eighth, maybe too low. So I do remember this one being a little bit too thick. I think it's literally a quarter inch, maybe too low, because it was the thickness of the plate. So I'm gonna have to just readjust that one, grind the tacks down, raise it up, and then finish fully welding. After I finish that, I'm probably gonna do the notch into the rear cross member. I have one more weld, I think, on the bottom side of this cross member on this side, and then we can move on to redoing the transmission cross member, fixing this mess right here. And then from there, I'm gonna work on probably either routing the brake lines back here or making the brackets for the ABS module up here, and then that charcoal canister that's got to go somewhere over here. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna start fully welding, like I said, finish welding that one, fully weld this one, and then just readjust this one and finish welding those. So that's the plan for today.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, Cialis flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's in since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know we're knocking on it.
Alright, so what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're finally continuing on the build again. We finished up the cab mounts, dropping these half an inch more. So now the only thing we got left to do is to continue on the front, on the radiator support mounts. I think I'm just gonna cut these somewhere right in here, drop them. There's really not much support on here, so I'm probably just gonna, like I said, take a Sawzall, cut them, drop them to 1/2 inch, call that done, finish that up. And then I'll probably move to continuing to close this plate, kind of put the other plate that I have like this up here on the back side, finish closing that up. And then I'll probably do the notch on this cross member. And then we'll finally do the transmission cross member, finish redoing that. And then once we get that all done, I'm gonna set the cab back onto the frame and then kind of start setting the bed in place and finally start mocking up the brackets to kind of set the bed in place. We need to make those brackets, and those pretty much will be the last thing besides the bumper. I forgot about that. Got to make the brackets for the bed and the brackets for the bumper. And then after all that, we'll pretty much be finished. Oh, actually, no, I lied. Aside, I got to build a bracket or figure out some way to bolt the charcoal canister and the brake ABS stuff over there. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much what I'm going to be trying to get done this weekend. And yeah, we'll just see how much we can get done. So let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is start with these front radiator support mounts.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all in my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune. I'm flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I done with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it.
All right, so nothing too fancy, nothing too exciting, but I've got the little frame horns, the radiator support brackets knocked down. And I think it should clear the frame, so, but we won't know for sure until we get the whole thing back on. But as of now, that's one thing crossed off the list. Now next I'm gonna move to grinding this back or the front side of this cross member out. Grinding that down, and I got my plate right there ready to go. Finish welding that, and then I actually also remember I need to weld these from the underside. So gotta weld those. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with, well actually I guess I could, because I was gonna say I couldn't weld it because if I take these upper links off, the differential is gonna have a tendency to come roll forward, and with that just reg strap on there, it might mess something up, might twist the bags in the wrong way. But what I'll do is I'll just loosen one side up, leave the other side on, weld one side, and then wait for that to cool down, put the link back up, take this one off, do the same thing. So yeah, gonna be just jumping back and forth. Like I said, I'll start from here, finish this front plate, and then I'll probably start like cutting the notch out for the last cross member right there. Gonna go ahead and probably just remove the drive shaft out of the way just to get that cleared up. I'll mark it first though, before I forget. But yeah, and then once we get that done, then the last thing we really have to do is mock up the a new transmission cross member. I got the last piece of steel right there that's gonna fit right in there. So what I'll do here is I'll do this, and I'll do this. So now we kind of got our little channel that we got going on for the differential, the drive shaft, I mean. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the game plan. So we're getting on a roll. So pretty much just welding stuff now today. Finishing up welding, and then today's Saturday, so probably tomorrow or this afternoon, I'll get to putting everything back on there again so we can start mocking up the brackets for the bed. So yeah, now I'm gonna start on that right there, grinding that down and welding it up. Okay, so I got that pretty much finished, welded in place. Now we're moving on to the rear cross member. And then while this cools down, because it's probably still gonna be pretty hot. So cutting that up and then moving on to the transmission cross member. And we're getting pretty close, aside from these rear brackets that I gotta do. So yeah, keep on going. All right, so I got my rear cross member notched out. And I was about to cut a new piece of plate over there just to fill in that hole, but light bulb actually came on this time. And I'm just gonna flip that plate around and weld it in place. And then just grind off wherever it's sticking too high up, and that'll take care of that. All right, I got that thing ground down, and now it's sitting pretty good. I like it how the little bit fitment got a little bit of an edge, so I can have some room to weld it in. I didn't want to go too far because I don't want it to be like falling in, but yeah, that's pretty much ready to go. I'm just gonna weld it in now. All right, so now after grinding that down sort of smooth, I spent a little bit of time and kind of cleaned up the place. That way we're gonna get down in here, start taking this out, start supporting that's the other thing is I don't know how I'm gonna support the transmission because all my jack stands are being used to hold up the frame. I'll have to come up with something to kind of just hold it up there so I can take the transmission cross member out so I can build a new one and then continue back here. So gonna figure this out and see how I'm gonna take it off, and we'll get back to it. All right, so utilizing the jack off of my press on the table over there, I was able to support the transmission, and that's actually in the spot it needs to be whenever I'm finished. So I got the main piece cut out already. I'm pretty much gonna try to attempt to do that same thing right here and notch this in, and then I'm gonna have to do a plate on this on one side, raise it up 1.5 inches, I believe it was. That's gonna give me that height that I need for my driveline. So gonna cut this out first, and then once I'm sure that it fits and it's not gonna be too high or too low, then I'll drill the holes on the side over here, which I could probably just go ahead and do. Yeah, just gonna focus on doing this first, and then I'll make the extension bracket that goes up higher. So yeah, that'll be up next. I'll pick it back up whenever I get this cut out. All right, well, pretty much finished with this deal. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's a whole lot better than what I had before. So that gives me my 1.5 inches for my height that I needed, and it gives me good access for the bolt to put the nut back there. So I'm pretty happy. Came out better than I expected, so that's gonna be another thing crossed off the list. The only thing that didn't come out perfect is whenever I drilled the holes for where it's gonna go. They're not exactly centered. I figured that was gonna be a problem, but I can either enlarge the holes on the crossmember itself or on the brackets that's welded to the frame. So yeah, that's the next thing crossed off. It's getting kind of late, but I think tomorrow I'm going to finish welding the underside of these, and once that's done, pretty much everything up here is done. I gotta try to figure out where I have the ABS and that charcoal canister stuff and see how I'm gonna mount those. And then once I figure that out, I can finally start moving on to moving the cab back onto the frame, setting that, and see if I'm gonna have any more clearance issues with the transmission or where the lines are gonna be, and see how much room I'm gonna have for running the exhaust. And then mounting the radiator in place, seeing if it's gonna clear the front frame, and then finally we can move on to the back and start making the brackets for the bed. So yeah, it's pretty hot in the garage right now, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, and we'll tackle this thing back tomorrow after work. So getting a little progress done each day, but little progress is better than no progress. So that'll be it for today.
I couldn't sleep right now, I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me, I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.